What is turmeric good for? 10 turmeric health benefits. Lots of people use the turmeric herb in their cooking. The main signs of turmeric are its pepper-like smell, sharp taste, and golden color. Turmeric is known to stop swelling, kill bacteria and viruses, as well as many other things. It is also full of nutrients like protein, dietary fiber, niacin, vitamins C, E, and K, calcium, potassium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Because of this, turmeric is a great thing to use to cure health problems. Here are the top 10 things turmeric can be used for. 1. Prevents cancer. Turmeric can block prostate cancer and even kill cancer cells. It can also stop tumor cells from growing, so it can guard the body from getting cancer in the first place. 2. Relieves arthritis. Because turmeric brings down swelling, it's great to use for osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It also kills germs that harm body cells. People with rheumatoid arthritis who eat turmeric all the time have gotten much rest from pain and joint swelling. 3. Controls diabetes. Turmeric can help cure diabetes by keeping insulin at normal levels. It also helps with sugar control and makes the medicine used for diabetes work. But if used with strong medicines, turmeric can cause low blood sugar, so make sure to ask your doctor before you take turmeric capsules. 4. Reduces cholesterol levels. Using turmeric as a spice can bring down cholesterol levels. Because high cholesterol can cause other health problems, it is important to stay on top of it to stop heart disease. 5. Immunity booster. Turmeric helps keep the body's immune system going. It also helps strengthen the immune system because it kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This stops you from getting colds, coughs, and the flu. To help you feel better if you do get sick, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk and drink it once a day. 6. Heals wounds. Because turmeric naturally kills germs and bacteria, it can be used to clean wounds. If you have a cut or burn, sprinkle some turmeric powder on it to help it heal quicker. It can also help treat psoriasis, itchy, dead skin, and other skin conditions. 7. Weight management. Turmeric powder can help keep the body at a proper weight by helping break down fat. Someone who wants to lose weight or treat obesity and sicknesses that come with it can have 1 teaspoon of turmeric with every meal. 8. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Swelling of the brain is one of the main reasons for cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric can keep the brain healthy by helping oxygen flow. This can also slow down or totally stop Alzheimer's disease. 9. Improves digestion. Turmeric can help with digestion by lessening bloating and gas. It can also help treat inflammatory bowel disease. But be careful, because if you suffer from a gallbladder disease, you should not take turmeric, as that can make it worse. Also, if you have a digestive problem, it is best to eat raw turmeric and not capsules. 10. Prevents liver disease. Turmeric is a natural way to force poisons from the liver. The liver takes poison out of the blood, and turmeric helps make the enzymes that keep it working. It also helps strengthen and better blood flow. All of this helps to keep the liver healthy. Because of all the ways turmeric can help your health, adding this herb to your diet is a great idea.